You may not be aware of it, but trillions of living creatures exist all around us. Although they can't be seen with the naked eye, these tiny microorganisms are vital for our survival. Micro means tiny and organism means living being. We often refer to microorganisms as microbes, and they are the biggest group of decomposers on Earth. When microbes eat waste or dead or organic matter, they help these things decompose or break down. Breaking down material that was once a living substance or came from a living substance into simple matter helps keep our environment and food web healthy. If these microbes didn't do their job, we would be surrounded by waste. Since microbes can't be seen with the naked eye, you need a microscope to observe them. When you look through the eyepiece, it will magnify or zoom in on an object to more than 30 to 400 times its original size so we can see it. For example, here is a microorganism digesting its food. You'd never see this with the naked eye. All microorganisms, or micros, can be sorted into two categories. Most eukaryotes are organisms that can be seen with the naked eye. Any animal, plant, and fungus are examples of eukaryotes. Eukaryotes can also be tiny and made of only one cell. Here are some microscopic eukaryotes that share our world with us. Protozoa is named for what it is, a little animal. Protozoa mainly feed on bacteria, but they can also eat other protozoa and other things in wastewater. Our wastewater treatment plant uses these microbes as part of their work in cleaning our dirty water. Ciliates. This microorganism uses a ring of tiny hairs around their mouths to create vortexes in the water. This helps them draw in their food so they can eat. Amoeba hunt and eat other bacteria, but they need to watch out for predators like water bears. Water bears are the coolest. They can live in extreme environments and can hibernate for weeks at a time. They can even clone themselves. Prokaryotes can't be seen with the naked eye. You need a microscope to observe them. These microorganisms are tiny and simple. All bacteria fall in this category. While some bacteria can make us sick, a lot of bacteria is very helpful to us. We mentioned how bacteria helps humans. Did you know that 2/3 of the world's oxygen is produced in the ocean? We can thank bacteria for the blue-green algae for helping us breathe. This is why it's so important that we keep our waterways free of pollution, so these bacteria can stay healthy and help us stay alive. Speaking of water, this is the habitat for aquatic microorganisms. They live in a variety of waterways such as ponds, swamps, and rivers. They can also be found in places that are wet, like on the back of a frog, or they can attach to a fish swimming around looking for food. Microbes can eat and absorb different things and live in many different places. Did you know some microbes like to eat oil? They help us clean up oil spills in the ocean. Scientists are even studying how microbes can break down plastic that is currently polluting our waterways. The water that comes from our homes and businesses gets processed at the county's wastewater treatment plant. Microorganisms play an important role in helping clean that dirty water. Remember the protozoa we mentioned earlier? The wastewater treatment plant provides a great habitat and ample food source for these and other microbes that help clean the water. They eat or absorb the toxins in the wastewater and help lessen the amount of chemicals used in the water treatment process. Our streams, lakes, rivers, and oceans need to be protected from pollution. Microbes can do their part, and we need to do ours. Here's how you can help microorganisms do their job. Don't flush wipes, paper towels, or trash. Never put fats, oil, or grease down the drain. Throw away medicines instead of flushing them. And pick up after your pets. All of these simple tricks help us keep the water clean and our little buddies healthy. The result? Clean water we can use again and again. For more information, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/publicworks/wastewater/ educators-students or call 703-550-9740.